Got this field ready to plant. Put cows on it to eat everything down. I sprayed what was left. A little bit of clover coming out. And getting ready to fire up the Genesis and get our winter cover on. This would be wheat, a mixture of 4 or 5 different brassicas, and winter peas. We'll put them along here for 2 acres. Lots of deer feed down across the creek. Feed this way, bed down over there. This field will feed 25 deer over the winter. Landowner Bob, you notice he might look a little like me.
Because I am like him. Crazy. So we're going to load this thing up and work this field and get her planted up. It's what, September 5th? A little late, but with all the rain we couldn't do much, so we finally got this killed off and ready to plant, and it's finally dry enough to get it going. So giddy up.
Well, we just finished, whether we like it or not, because the Genesis broke down. We've got a hydraulic leak, lost a couple pins, bent a couple pins. So that's the way it goes. Now this field I had planted in my summer annual, and as you can see it got chewed on pretty good. The favorite plant was the cowpeas. Cowpeas are really chomped all over. You can see where they nipped off all the new growth. There's some rape in here. They chewed on that too, but yeah, here. So they got this pretty well eaten down. So what we're doing now is drilling in my fall food plot, which will be brassicas, winter wheat. Look at that thing. That thing is really gnawed upon. Anyway, the brassicas, winter wheat, and winter peas. Put them on at about 60 pounds to the acre for that mix. That should do a pretty good job of filling this field out. We did have this sprayed down pretty good last year with glyphosate and 2,4-D, which took care of the goldenrod. You can see out in the distance there, that's what it looked like before. It was 100% goldenrod. But what often happens is when you get rid of one weed, it creates a space for another weed to take over. So now we have horse nettle, quite a bit of horse nettle. We have some kind of viney thing in here. I'm not sure what that is. And we have quite a bit of, what else is in here? There's some pigweed there. A little bit of goldenrod left over. There's grass. And where it's wet, where the field is kind of laying wet down there, it's full of nutsedge, like real heavy nutsedge. So in the spring, I'll try to find something that I can spray that nutsedge with and get rid of it and not kill my wheat. Because I want the wheat to go to seed and make seed, and then see if the deer eat that. If they enjoy that, we'll just keep doing that awnless wheat. And then we could either wait until fall and put another fall food blend in again, or put a spring blend in again. We'll just have to see how many deer are hanging around here. I think this food plot is going to increase the local deer herd by quite a bit. There's corn over there, and he takes silage, so there's very little corn left. They might feed for about a week after he takes that corn off, and then it's just dirt. So everything that lives over that way is going to come to this field. Everything that lives over that way is going to come to this field, and maybe even up on that ridge. That's across the Genesee River, and there might be some deer coming from over there to feed here. So I'm anxious to see. We're going to put up a redneck blind over there, and we'll be able to shoot this field, shoot anything that's coming out. There's a swamp down there, and I've always hunted down in there, but what happens is it's a pretty small area. As soon as you start hunting it, the deer kind of move off and then go nocturnal on you. So we're going to try to stay out of that and hope that the deer bed down in there and come out here to feed. And then see how much venison we can collect here. Alright, we've got to go fix that Genesis so we can do another field tomorrow.
Yellow one. One beside you. The other side. Other side. Right here. Other side. Yes. Gotta get it the other side. Slow it down. Grab the other leg. That one, You're on there, right? Gotta grab the other leg.
Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And comment down below and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more about.